guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great week. I am back again with another unboxing video. This time I have the January Boxycharm box. I'm really excited to open this up. It is so exciting to get these boxes in the mail each month. I have so many subscription boxes that I absolutely love, and this is definitely one of the tops. I started receiving this back in, I think, November. Like October and November. I've actually partnered up with Boxycharm, so they send me a complimentary box each month to bring you guys what is inside and give you guys like a bit of a review. So they sent over this month's box and I'm so excited to just unbox it with you. It feels quite heavy, and to be honest with you, it looks a little bigger than the previous month's boxes, so I don't know if this is the base box or the premium box, or if it's just the products for this month are a bit bigger, so I guess we'll find out. So here is the inside to the box. Obviously you can't really see much right now because we got the bubble wrap and everything, but first we have the card that has all of the products and their values, and the theme for this month is Fresh Start, which we all know that we need. Then there is just a card letting them know that they sent me the box. And then we've got the products. So we've got some fun stuff, it looks like, so let's go through it. So the first thing we have here is the Olive You Forever palette from Voss. It is an eyeshadow palette. I honestly haven't heard of this brand, but let me tell you that I have received quite a few products in these boxes that I haven't heard of the brands before, and I've ended up absolutely loving these products. So I'm hoping that it'll be the same for this, and I'm always a sucker for a new eyeshadow palette. So, I Love You Forever. This is really pretty, actually. So I feel like this is different. There's a lot of good shades in here that I know I could use on a daily basis. Typically, I feel like neutral palettes kind of all are like similar, but this is actually pretty different. This has a few different shades in here that you wouldn't get in like a typical neutral palette, like Color Story. I really like these browns here, and even the greens are really nice. So I'm really excited to try this out. And this shade here is really pretty, Lovebird. So that's exciting. I'll definitely look up more from this brand because, like I said, I had never heard of them before. So I'm excited to try them out. If you have tried this brand before, please let me know and let me know what you think. So it says here on the card, this palette was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas, from creamy mattes, mesmerizing metallics, and impactful foils. Achieve endless eyeshadow looks, from a modern soft sultry to a seductive olive smoky eye that will have them green with envy. And the value is $34, and this is actually a new launch. So this is a new product from Voss. So next we have a product from Pharmacy, which is really exciting. I have heard of this brand, but I haven't yet tried any products from them, so this is exciting for me. It is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. So I am in need of a new moisturizer. My skin has been so dry this winter, so I'm excited to try this out. And it says here, the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. And this is worth $38. So I really love that it has hyaluronic acid in it because I love hyaluronic acid, and it's paraben free, synthetic fragrance free, formaldehyde donor free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, and cruelty free. So there's a lot of great things about this product so far, so I'm really excited to try this out. Next we have the Avant Hyaluronic Marigold Tocopherol Propylene Glycol Glycerin Sodium Chloride Tetrasodium Glutamate Deacetate Tonka Brazil Nut Age Nutri Revive Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. So I guess I could have just read that it is micellar water. But in any case, I haven't heard of this brand, but I actually was in need of some micellar water, so I'm excited. And it says here, the Avant Skincare Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. Infused with replenishing ingredients, Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. I can't even explain to you how great of timing this is because I literally ran out of my makeup remover this morning, so this is great timing to be able to try this out, and I'll definitely let you guys know what I think of this. So like I just said about the pharmacy product, I love hyaluronic acid, and I have found a lot of brands that I really like in these boxes, so hopefully this is another one of them. And that is actually worth $90. So if it's worth $90, I have high expectations for that. Next, we have the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Lip Glow Lip Mask. So that's interesting. I don't think I have ever tried a lip mask, and I definitely have never heard of this product, so I'm excited to try this out. If you can see that there. And it says here, the Seraphine Botanicals Apple and Balm Glow Lip Mask. Boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plush, jojoba, and rosehip oils that work synergistically to keep lips chat-free, soothed, and plump all at once. It's made with green apple and pineapple extracts to help rid lips of unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. And it says here that it is cruelty-free and vegan as well. This is exciting because, like I just said a few minutes ago, I've had really dry skin this winter and my lips are not excluded from that. My lips have been so chapped and just a mess. So I'm excited to try this out and hopefully this helps. And the last product we have here is from Trust Fund Beauty. It is the Lipgasm Lip Gloss. So again, this is another brand that I haven't heard of just yet. But it says here, Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lip Gloss Unprofessional. A sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. HR is already sweating, and it is worth $18. And I just realized I didn't mention this one was worth $25, so this is worth $18. But again, I love a good lip gloss. Let's see if you can see what color it is. Ooh. So that is very bright. I'm excited to try this out. I'm typically not a bright person, but when I create content for like my Instagram, my blog, I like to experiment with different things, and you know, sometimes I just need some bright lip gloss or eyeshadow, so I definitely will be using that for that purpose. So I'm excited to try this out. So the total value of the box this month was $205. So this, because there was 5 products, I believe is the base box, and I think if it was premium, it would say premium in the box. But $205 for a box that you're paying $25 a month for is phenomenal to me. I think this is a great box. The products are really great. The fact that you get a whole eyeshadow palette plus, you know, a $90 micellar water and some other really great products is so great. Like I said in my previous videos, there are 3 tiers to these boxes. There's the base box, which is what I just showed you, the premium box, and the luxe box. The luxe box is a quarterly subscription, but the other 2 are monthly. In addition, not all boxes are going to be the same. So if you subscribe to the base box, you may get some of the same products that I got, but you may not get the exact same 5 products that I received. You may get some, like, instead of, you know, the lip gloss, you may get something else. You really don't know. They kind of switch it up, I guess, based on availability and just your taste, because when you sign up, you do fill out a bit of a survey. In any case, I'm so thankful to Boxycharm for sending these boxes over each month and allowing me to bring you guys what is in these boxes and let you guys know what I think. I will be testing out all these products and letting you guys know what I think of each product. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, make sure you do so. My username is @BrayCutter, and I always share in my stories the products that I'm using and how I like them, and you know, if there's any product recommendations that I have, I always share them there. So make sure you follow me there and follow along with my stories. So if you liked today's video, make sure you hit the red button down below to subscribe to my channel, click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and you can follow me on social media @BrayCutter. Like I said, I share a lot more stuff there that I'm sure you guys will love. And also be sure to check out my blog, unbreakablebliss.com. I've added a new news page to the blog, so if you are looking for the latest headlines and fashion, beauty, pop culture, entertainment, music, movies, news, whatever, you can find that all there, so make sure you check that out as well. And until next week, see you guys.